Hello children, how are you? How are you today? I am good, I am well. What about you? Hello kids, welcome to Savita Bhawadi Academy. This is our science lecture. Kids, today we revise science chapter. This one, class 3rd science textbook, new science in everyday life. Class 3rd cbse board. Kids, today we revise 12th number chapter for 6th worksheet exam. And lesson title, air, water and weather. This one chapter from unit 5, natural phenomena. Kids, from this chapter you will learn about what does air contains, second one topic water, third one weather and fourth one seasons. Kids, first we read this one and then question answer time. So please pay attention. Kids, air is all around us but we cannot see it. Yes? Who can feel air? Yes, all of we can feel air but can't see. Okay? We can feel air when it moves. Look at the picture given below and answer the following question. You can see here one pictures. You can feel. See how his umbrella. Okay. Before rain, wind blowing. That one scenery. This one. Okay. Observe the picture and discuss. Do you think it is a very windy? What shows it? Of course, it's very windy. If you have a confusion, see here is the answers. Your each and every questions. Turn your page this type and you can see here your answer textbook given here. Yes, umbrellas are overturned. Trees are swing and blending low. Okay, and next one our question. You can also give easily answers that type questions. Do you think that the children are wearing the right clothes for this weather? Give a reason. It's a right? Of course it's a right. See here. Yes, they are wearing gumboots and raincoats because of rainy day. Okay. Next one question. Name the process involved in forming rain. Here textbook given answer. See. Evaporation and condensation. From this chapter we learn evaporation. We already know what is the evaporation, but in this one, from this one lesson we learn in details, okay, with labeling, okay, and it's very important. Okay, then pay attention, come to the point. Our first topic from this chapter, what does air contain? Kids, if you take a glass of very cold water like this, you can see here inside ice, it's a very cold, and place it on a table, you will soon notice water drops sticking on the outer side of the glass. Outside you can see droplets. Okay, where do these water drops come from? This water didn't leak through the glass, it came from the air. Okay, air makes this one droplets outside. When it's a very cold water, in a few minutes you can see out of a glass, outside of a glass, few droplets because of it's a very cold. When we take out milk pot from fridge, in a few seconds you can see outside there is a droplets, okay, water drops like this. It came from the air. Air contains water in the form of a water vapor. We also contains important gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, okay. We breathe in oxygen in air may also contain dust particles and germs. This can stick to our body easily. That is why we should always have a bath daily. We should also wash our hands before eating to clean off the germs. And next one topic, water. Okay, what is very important for life on the earth? Without water we can live? No, it's our life. Okay, all living things need water. We use water for various purposes such as drinking, cooking, watering plants, okay, washing clothes, washing vehicles. Water is used for cooking, water is used for drinking, and water is used for watering plants, okay. You can see in few pictures here, this one lady cooking, this one child drinking, and this one boy watering the plants, okay. Next one topic, water cycle. Kids, we know that voice, ice, water and water vapor are the three forms of water. We already learned this one, okay. What happens to the water when wet cloths dry in the sun? The water present in the wet cloths changes into water vapor due to heat from the sun. Wet cloths remain minimum in 2 hours. It's become a dry because of sun's heat, okay. The water present in the wet cloths changes into water vapor due to heat from the sun. The change of water to water vapor is called evaporation, okay. Now turn your page, we on page number 120. The sun heat up the water from rivers, ponds, lakes, sea. You can see here this one of water vapor pictures. It's very important, and you can see here labeling this one pictures. Please practice this one pictures and labeling also, and explanation also. First we learn about that one, okay. The sun heats up the water from rivers, ponds, lakes, sea and plants. This water evaporates into the air as water vapor. See here, from here water gets heated by the sun and goes up as water vapor, okay, like this one sun heated, okay, water gets heated by the sun and goes up as water vapor, okay, like this. First one, this one label your, and first one step your in a water vapor, okay. When it goes higher, the water vapor cools down, the forms small water droplets. When it's go higher, then the water vapor cools down to form small water droplets. The change of water vapor to water droplet is called a condensation, okay. This tiny water droplet mixes with dust and other things to form clouds. Inside the clouds, like this, okay, inside the clouds the tiny water droplet join to form big drops. When water drops in the cloud became too heavy to remain in the air, they fall down as rain. In places that are very cold, the water drops freeze into ice and come down as a snow, like this. Second one, water vapors forms clouds in the sky, okay. Now third one, clouds cannot hold big drops of water. These water drops came down as a rain. With arrow you can show this type, okay. This rain water or the snow fills the sea, okay, sea, river, okay, ponds and lakes, and the cycle continue again. Water gets heated by the sun and goes up as a water vapor, became a small droplets and small particles make a big clouds and it's a very heavy. Okay, then clouds cannot hold big drops of water. These water drops come down as a rain and rain falling. Again continue this one cycle water vapor. Okay, the cycle involving the change of water into water vapor and then water again is called a water cycle. This one water cycle diagram, it's very important for exam. Okay, please practice it. Okay, 3 times minimum with labeling and with explanation, good explanation. Few points explain here our textbook. Okay, it's very important. Next one activity for you. Okay, your teacher can take this one activity in your class. Now we only prepare for exam. Okay, let's remember here. Circle the odd one out in each of the following: lake, pond, sea. Air is a odd man out. Okay, so we circle. Next one, ice, water, air, water vapor. Here ice, water, air and water vapor. Air, this one also different. Okay, wind, breeze, storm and winter. Winter is a different. Okay, so odd man out. Second one, write true for T for the true and F for the first statement. First one, water is present in the air as ice. It's a false statement. Second one, germs stick to our body when we go out. It's a true. The heat of the sun cools the water in the lakes and the rivers. It's a false statement. Okay. Next one topic about weather. The general condition of air around us is called weather. What is the weather? The general conditions of air around us is called weather. For example, few seasons we know. Okay, cold, hot. When winter season we feel cold. In summer season we feel hot. Okay, and in rainy season rain makes us wet and then we feel the cold. Now, sunny days are usually hot. Afternoon is the hottest time of the day. Mornings and evenings are cooler. Okay. See here, sunny day and how kids enjoy this one sunny day. Okay. Now, turn page. Next topic, our windy and cloudy day. Moving air is called a windy. When wind moves, that one called a wind. When the wind blows slow, it is called a breeze. Strong wind usually accompanied by lightning, thunder, rain or show is called a storm. Storms can cause a lot of damage. The sun appears to hide on cloudy days. The sky is full of cloud. It is cooler on windy and cloudy days than on sunny days. Okay. Now, from this one chapter, you buy it. What is the wind? What is the freeze? What is the storm? Okay. Why storm is dangerous? Okay. Now, seasons. Every few months the weather changes. Means after 3 or 4 months weather changes. These changes gives rise of different seasons. There are 5 main seasons in India: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Summer is the hottest time of the year and winter is the coldest. It rains during a monsoon. The weather is neither hot nor cold in autumn. Often cool wind blows during autumn. Many trees shed their leaves in autumn season. Okay. You can see this one season monsoon, this one season autumn. And this one winter season, this one spring season. Sunny days like. After autumn comes winter. It is the coldest season of the year. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm in water. After winter comes the spring season. The weather is very pleasant in the spring. Trees start getting new leaves and flowers bloom. Change in season affects the kind of clothes we wear. the kind of food we eat and the activities we do. Let's remember true statement here. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. First one, spring season brings us rain. False. Strong wind with rain and thunder is the storm. True, this one statement. Weather does not change for a long period of a time. This one is false. Evaporation and condensation are a part of the water cycle. It's a true. Okay. And another one, answer the following question orally. In what forms does water come down from sky at a very cold places? Ice. Okay. And a very important keywords and summary. Kids, from a keywords and summary, you can easily write down your questions answer. So please read this one by head. This one all sentences. See, wind. When your teachers give what is a wind, you can write down this one sentence. So sentence is a answer. Moving air is called a wind. Second one, breeze. What is a breeze? When the wind blows slowly, it is called a breeze. Water cycle. What is a water cycle? The water cycle involving change of water into water vapor and then to water being is called water cycle. Yes, you got 3 questions answer from a keywords. So please, it's very important. Read this one 3 times or write down 1 time. Okay, please. Next one, summary. Summary is very important. Okay, air is all around us. We cannot see it. We can only feel it when it moves. Summary means overall our chapter main statements. Okay, given in a summary. Second one, air contains gases, water vapor, dust particles and germs. Water is very important or a life on earth. Changes in weather are caused by the sun, wind and water vapor in the air. There are 5 main seasons: summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. Change in season affects the kind of clothes we wear, the kind of food we eat and the activities we do. Now, exercise time. See here. First one, objective type question. Inside A1, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Please pay attention, kids. It's very important. This one exercise for your science paper. First one, animals breathe in carbon dioxide or oxygen. Oxygen present in the air. Second one, the change of water vapor to water is called evaporation or condensation. Condensation. Third one, in cold or hot places, water drops in the clouds came down as snow. Obviously cold, cold. Fourth one, the condensation of air, water is known as a weather or a season. Obviously weather, WEATHR. Option is here, you can write down. Okay, or tick also. Fifth one, many trees shed their leaves in the autumn or a spring. Obviously autumn season. Okay, next one, B1, write T for the true and F for the false statement. A1, air contains dust and germs. It's a true. Human beings need to breathe in a carbon dioxide. It's a false. Not all living things need water. Yes, it's a false. The water cycle brings around rain. It's a true. The change of water vapor of water droplets is called evaporation. It's a false statement. So write down F. Okay. C. Choose the correct option. Air does not contain water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide, silver. Obviously silver. Weather changes due to the sun, clouds, food, dust, sun. Okay. Next one, which of these is not true about water? We need it for washing and cleaning. All living things need it. It changes its form, and D1, none of this. D1 option, none of this correct. So tick. Okay, or write down. Fifth one, which of the following changes water into water vapor due to the heat of the sun? Option are First one A, condensation, B, evaporation, C, water cycle, and D1, none of this. B, evaporation is the correct option. So tick or write down evaporation, evaporation. C1, change in season affects the kind of clothes we wear, kind of food we eat, activities we do, or all of this. All of this, because kinds of clothes we wear, kind of food we eat, activities we doing. Okay. Seventh one, which of the following shows spring season? New leaves and the flowers. Obviously it's a right. 8.1, leaves of many trees are shed during autumn season. Next one, D, match the following. Hot season, it's a summer season. Cold season, it's a winter season. Slow wind, it's a breeze. Okay. Rainy season, monsoon, and fast blowing wind means a storm. Okay. Next one, very short answer type questions. Give 2 examples for the following. Uses of water. Uses of water, only 2 write down. Cooking, washing clothes, or you can write down drinking, planting, watering a plant. Okay. Second one, things present in air. Water vapor, dust particles. Weather, condensation, sunny days, windy days. Okay. Seasons, summer, autumn, spring, winter, any 2 you write down. Fifth one, things that help us stay dry on a rainy day. Umbrella, raincoat. B1, give 1 word for the following. This take place due to the sun's heat on a water. Evaporation. These are formed when water droplets join together. Big drops. Okay. Means a big cloud. Big drop. Water droplets in the air cool down and come down as the rain. Raindrops came down as this in very cold places. No. The general condition of air around us are weather. That one. Okay. Next one, answer the following questions. Name 5 things that are contains. We write down answer. Water vapor, oxygen, dust, gases, and particles. Okay. Next one, what is weather? Second one, we write down answer. The general condition of air around us is called a weather. Okay. For this one questions answer, please read whole chapter 2 times. It's very important. And don't forget keywords and summaries. Okay. Next, list any 3 uses of water. Third one question, answer drinking, cooking, watering plants, washing clothes. Okay. Fourth one, define the water cycle. You can see here this one, water cycle. You should be draw this type water cycle with labeling and you can answer. Okay. The cycle involving the changes of water into water vapor and then to water again called the water cycle. This one you got from a summary also. Okay. Next one, fifth one, explain the water cycle with the help of a labeled diagram. This one, from this one for this one question you use this one diagram. Okay, showing with arrow and explanation here. Okay, you can make it's a short sentence in your wording, small and good sentence. Okay, little sentence you can make. Next one question our, and I tell you, explain the water cycle with the help of a labeled diagram. Don't forget diagram, draw here for this question answer. The sun hits up water from a rivers, ponds, lakes and seas. Each and every here, this one see, this one first one, your point, what gets heated by the sun and goes up as water vapor. This type you draw. And second one, water vapor forms cloud in the sky. Then third one, Clouds cannot hold big drops of water. These water drops come down as a rain. And this one, fourth one, rain water fills the water bodies and continue this one cycle, water cycle. Okay, this one called a water cycle. Okay, this type you draw and labeled and explain your points. Next one, sixth one, name the 5 main season and write one sentence on each. First one, summer, we can write down, it's the hottest time in the year. Okay, second one, monsoon, it's a rainy season. Okay, and one, it's a tree shed their leaves. Then winter, coldest season, you can write down, it's a, and fifth one, spring, it's a very pleasant weather season. Okay, get new leaves and flowers, and it's a beautiful seasons. Okay, you can write down. Then next 13th one chapter we revise till it. Bye bye kids.